Her name's here. She is about 10 weeks old. Quite handful. It takes her about an hour and so to finish her feed and her breakfast. Sit, sit, sit. No. No, you have to sit when I tell you to sit. Bad puppy. No. You can't talk back. No, when I'm talking. You can't talk back when I'm talking to you. Don't go away. Let's finish the conversation. Missy, you are one bad girl. Very bad. Come over here. Come over here. Sit. Sit. While you sit, you listen to your mommy, so that's very good. Bad girl. No snacks for you. Don't show me that pouty face. Are you guilty? I love you. You know that.